The MGB GT is a timeless classic that continues to captivate car enthusiasts even in 2025. This iconic British sports car, first introduced in the 1960s, remains a symbol of pure driving pleasure. With its sleek fastback design, lightweight body, and engaging driving dynamics, the MGB GT stands out as one of the most beloved classic cars ever produced. Under the hood, the original MGB GT came with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 95 horsepower. While that may not seem like much by modern standards, the car's lightweight construction and well-balanced chassis made it a joy to drive. The power was sent to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission, with later models featuring an optional overdrive for improved highway cruising. One of the key reasons why the MGB GT remains popular among classic car enthusiasts is its simplicity. Unlike modern cars filled with complex electronics, this car is purely mechanical, making it relatively easy to maintain and restore. Owners can work on the engine, suspension, and other components without the need for specialized tools or diagnostic computers, which adds to its charm. Over the years, many MGB GTs have undergone various modifications and restorations. Some owners have swapped the original engine for more powerful alternatives, such as V8 conversions, which transform the car into a true performance machine. Others have opted for electric conversions, bringing this classic into the modern era with zero-emission driving while retaining its vintage appeal. The interior of the MGB GT is a perfect blend of classic design and driver-focused functionality. The dashboard features simple but elegant gauges, providing essential information without unnecessary distractions. The bucket seats offer decent support, and the compact dimensions make the driving experience feel engaging and connected to the road. The fastback design also provides a more practical touch compared to traditional roadsters, offering a usable cargo area behind the seats. One of the most distinctive features of the MGB GT is its styling. Designed by Pininfarina, the coupe version of the MGB has a more sophisticated look than its convertible counterpart. The sloping rear window and chrome accents give it a timeless elegance, making it a standout in any classic car collection. On the road, the MGB GT delivers an enjoyable driving experience. The unassisted steering provides excellent feedback, allowing the driver to feel every bit of the road. The suspension, while firm, offers a comfortable ride compared to other sports cars of its time. It may not be the fastest car out there, but it makes up for it with a driving experience that feels pure and unfiltered. In terms of reliability, the MGB GT has its quirks. Like any classic car, rust is a common issue, especially in areas where road salt is used during the winter. Electrical problems can also arise, mainly due to aging wiring and components. However, with proper maintenance and care, these cars can remain on the road for decades. The MGB GT community is strong, with owners and enthusiasts worldwide sharing knowledge, parts, and restoration tips. There are numerous clubs and events dedicated to these cars, making it easy for new owners to connect with others who share the same passion. Whether it's a weekend drive, a car show, or a full restoration project, owning an MGB GT is an experience that goes beyond just driving. Classic car values have been rising, and the MGB GT is no exception. While they were once affordable entry-level classics, well-maintained examples are becoming more expensive as demand increases. However, they still remain one of the best options for those looking to own a vintage sports car without breaking the bank. For those looking to buy an MGB GT in 2025, it's essential to check for common issues such as rust in the floor pans, sills, and wheel arches. A thorough inspection of the engine, suspension, and electrical system is also necessary to avoid costly repairs down the line. Many aftermarket parts are available, making restoration easier, but finding a well-preserved example is always the best option. With its timeless design, engaging driving experience, and strong enthusiast community, the MGB GT remains a true icon of classic motoring.